Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love cooking or just want to make your time in the kitchen easier and more fun, you're in the right place. Today we're going to show you the top 5 kitchen tech gadgets in 2025 that are changing the game. These gadgets will help you cook smarter, faster, and better. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Want perfectly cooked meat every time? This smart thermometer is a game changer for home cooks and BBQ lovers. It comes with 3 ultra-thin probes so you can cook and track 3 different foods at once. Whether you're using the oven, grill, or smoker, the unlimited Bluetooth range lets you monitor everything from your phone, even if you're away from the kitchen. It has 4 sensors, 3 internal and 1 ambient, for super accurate readings, and you'll get real-time alerts on your app and charging hub. It's waterproof, easy to clean, and safe for high heat up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. You only need to charge it for 10 minutes to get 40+ hours of use. If you want juicy steaks, perfect chicken, and no more guesswork, this smart thermometer is your best friend. Number 2. The TOSHIBA 8-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven. This isn't just a microwave, it's your all-in-one kitchen helper. It can air fry, bake, broil, defrost, and even remove food odors. It's compact yet powerful with a 1 cubic foot capacity. The 12.4-inch turntable fits a whole chicken or a 12-inch pizza. It features a 2-step child lock for safety, easy-to-use knobs and buttons, and a smart memory turntable that resets to the right position every time. With 1,000 watts of cooking power and sleek black stainless steel, it looks good and performs great. Save time, space, and cook healthier with this multitasking microwave oven that's ready for anything. Number 3. The Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro is perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants easy home-cooked meals. It combines 10 functions into one appliance: pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, sous vide, make yogurt, sterilize, and more. It heats 20% faster than other models and has a durable stainless steel inner pot with silicone handles, so you can even use it on the stovetop. Safety is built in with overheat protection, a locking lid, and a quiet steam release system. It includes a free app with over 800 recipes. Want to cook faster, tastier meals with one pot? The Instant Pot Pro makes it simple, safe, and efficient. Number 4. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System Blender. This is more than just a blender, it's a full kitchen system. With 1,500 watts of power, it can blend, mix, crush, and chop. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for smoothies and frozen drinks. The 8-cup processor bowl chops veggies and makes dough in seconds. You also get 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with lids for drinks on the go. The system includes different blades for different tasks and comes with a 31 recipe guide for inspiration. It's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup super easy. From green smoothies to cookie dough, this system does it all: fast, powerful, and easy to clean. Number 5. The Mekity 4-Slice Touchscreen Toaster. Add style and smarts to your mornings with this touchscreen toaster. It has 2 4.4-inch digital screens that let you control each side separately. Whether you're toasting bagels, bread, muffins, or waffles, you can choose from 6 browning levels and special settings. The dual control panels make it easy to customize for different tastes, and the removable crumb tray makes cleaning simple. The stainless steel design fits right into a modern kitchen. Everyone in the house gets their toast just right, crispy, golden, and delicious every time. That's the end of our video about the top 5 kitchen tech gadgets of 2025. Did you see a gadget you really liked? Let us know which one was your favorite in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the little bell icon so you always know when we post new videos. And if you want to buy any of these amazing gadgets, just check the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching, have fun cooking, and see you next time.